Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, y'all been doing? Y'all miss me? I know it's been like, what, a week, 2 weeks since I've posted any video, but it's reason for that, guys. I've been sick. I just suffer from sinus very bad and back pain because last year I was in an accident and I damaged my back. So I've been in so much pain. When I say so much pain, I mean a lot of pain, guys. Yes. So I've mostly been bedridden. Yes, guys. Pain. Yes, last year I was in an accident. Here I'm talking, I have to catch my breath each time I say anything because it feels like my lungs is locking down. Yes, guys, I don't know if y'all know, some of y'all know on this that I keep a party named Boaty Tuesday, and I actually keep it Tuesday gone, but I try my best because I didn't want it to cancel. I try my best and it was successful. Yes, guys, but the reason why I take the time out to do this video, you all know today is a special day in America. Today is America independent. Yes, guys, this is a very special day, even though you know the corona. So yes, guys, we all know July 4th is like one of the holidays that everyone go crazy in America. Right now, I don't know if y'all could hear outside. I think it's kind of silent in my room, but I could hear it. It's like a lot of fireworks. And to all the Americans on my page, I want to tell y'all happy independence. I will be celebrating though, even though I'm not from here, but I'll be celebrating, you know? As them say, you go to the room, you go do as the room. I will get yourself away. Yes, guys, but it's a nice and fun holiday. It's very fun. Lots of fireworks. The kids love it, I could tell you. You see, Mr. T? Oh my god. Him love anything will come with rudeness. When it come with fireworks, all of them something there. Mr. T gang. That's my baby. Yeah. Him like anything with spell rude. You know? Yeah, but I'm going to a birthday party tomorrow. Well, I'm saying I'm going. Who's texting me? I'm saying I'm going. I'm not really sure, but I want to go to this birthday party. Yes, guys. Depends how I'm feeling because my lungs is like this. Yeah. So as I'm telling you, my lungs, I have sinus so bad from since I was small. Like, I don't wish this on nobody. I just think if this sinus make me feel so. Every time I get it, it's the same feeling from ever since I was smaller. I wonder how the people them will get corona, how them feel. I mean, I want to know still how they feel. As in, I don't want to get that feeling. Yes, guys, I'm supposed to do a surgery to take out my tonsil. My tonsil always swell. Very big. but I'm waiting first. Someone to comment down below. Any of y'all here remove y'all tonsil? Because I've been supposed to remove my tonsil from years ago, but I am scared because I know kids that remove their tonsil. I don't know, sometimes kids don't really understand what going on. But I'm talking about adult who understand what's actually going on. This is juice, guys, not no liquor. I'm not drinking because I'm on medication. I want someone to comment and tell me, or y'all could inbox me on Instagram or Facebook privately and tell me if y'all remove our tonsil and the feeling y'all get, if y'all get any side effects, anything, just let me know. So I want one of y'all to tell me if y'all remove your tonsil and if you get any side effect, because I think I really need to remove my tonsil. You know, it's a little scary feeling though. I think it take like 2 weeks to recover. My lips are stripping, guys, because I've been down, mostly slept, mostly lay down because my back sore. I try not to do a lot of move around, and then my tonsil, it's just so much. Yes, guys. So just comment and tell me if anyone I want to take out on a tonsil and the feeling and all of that. So really, yes, guys, I'm not going to really sit here and really talk about my tonsil and my back too long. I really wanna wish y'all guys a happy July 4th, and please, guys, be safe out there. Wherever you go, just be safe, you know, practice social distance. And yes, my Tuesday thing that I kept, it's a very roomy place. It have like 1, 2, 3, it have like 4 different parts. It have a room where you smoke, it have a pool room, it have a little dance floor, it have a little hallway part, so the people them stretch out, so nobody not really itch up on them one another. So you might see me do a one video because I'm there at the bar, and you might say, where the people them there, because them stretch out. Some did this, or some did this, or some did this. So guys, don't forget, like my videos, share them, and yeah man, like up the video there man, comment, subscribe, and share. You understand? Don't just watch the video. I see I have video with almost 500 views, and I don't even have 200 subscribers. Please, guys, I'm not bash nobody because I can't force nobody to subscribe. But I'm asking you guys, please don't just watch the video, subscribe. I have a lot more coming for you. Don't know if a lot of y'all know that I can cook very good, because the kids, they're the one who forced me to do a YouTube channel, but they don't normally really be here because we don't live together. So y'all gonna only be seeing videos with them when they are around. So it's gonna mostly be me. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share.